Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get builder haul loot fast, focus raids on exposed collectors, and plan troops to hit weak bases quickly. Start with cheap troops and a secondary funnel to distract defenses while core targets are looted. Rotate between 3 nearby bases to keep your builder haul active, and use battle machine boosts when a high-value target appears. Stay calm and keep a steady farming rhythm. Pick troops that cost little but clear resource buildings fast, like mass beta minions or baby dragons for spread damage. Pair them with a single tank unit to soak hits while your damaged troops score collectors. Adjust your composition for air or ground defenses and aim to get in and out before traps cripple your raid. Use spawns that let you retry quickly without burning high elixir or long upgrade cooldowns. Approach each raid with a plan. Identify the quickest path to collectors and commit only one clear route to avoid losing time. Drop a distraction unit to trigger traps before your main wave moves in. If defenses are dense, skip and find the next base to preserve your resources. Review replays to improve timing and placement, then repeat the cycle to compound gains and steadily increase your loot per hour without unnecessary loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.